Hello, crypto world. Friday afternoon. Stock market just closed, but let's talk about the major event. Putin and Trump are meeting in Alaska about Ukraine. And I can't tell you what is going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen outside of it. So in my view, the only market that has been affected today was the oil market, because America put sanctions on some countries that bought Russian oil, i.e. India, and I guess the oil market is suggesting there'll be some positive resolution to that. But other than that, the world is just watching, and I want to make one major point. Any impact that this meeting will have on markets will show up first where? In crypto world, because it's open on the weekend 24/7. The other markets will be closed. And today the markets basically did nothing. The Dow was up a little, S&P's down a little, Nasdaq's down a little, and the whole debate outside of watching Putin and Trump is related to interest rates. And we have a very big event coming on the 22nd of August. Chairman Powell will speak in a meeting at Jackson Hole. And normally, before he speaks, people have an idea of what he's going to say. Right now, the markets and pundits are mixed. They're all over the place. Will there be an interest rate cut in September? Will there not be one? Will there be two in 2025? Right now, he has not given any clues, and many people expect August 22nd to be very important for seeing what the Fed will do and hence affecting the markets. I bring up one point, and I have to, as a footnote, point out that the derivative market has an 85% chance that they will lower in September. However, this could change based on what Powell says when he speaks in Jackson Hole. And when we jump over to crypto, we're in red land. And the reason we're in red land is first because interest rates have gone up today. You can see how they've gone up, and the 10 years now 4.32. And as I said earlier today, it was below 4.25 a couple of days ago. So bottom line, crypto backed off because of uncertainty about interest rates and the rising rates. And right now, no one in the financial community is taking risk on, and so crypto gets hit. And in my view, this is not dramatic, though I hate to see Bitcoin below 117,000. But we'll have to see what happens with this meeting between Putin and Trump. And then later in the week, we have to see what Powell says about interest rates. So in my view, we're treading water and sinking slightly, because the bottom line is there's very little interest in the world investment community at the moment of putting risk on, as we have all these variables.